something was up, so I went out.
Okay, here's the TR-4C all wrapped up and ready to go. I got to put the noise blanker in, and I want to take one more look at the transmitter power output on each band. But I had it on the air last night, got some real good reports from people I talk to all the time, said it sounded like me. And they helped me pick out the best mic, which is this, it's a Turner, but it's branded Drake 7075, seems to work real well with this. So anyway, got some good reports. I got the tall ships tuned in here on 3895, so it's early in the evening. And I don't think the band's that great, but let's have a listen here.
A brand new, never had been used, control box and the relay box. And of course it was flooded out, and I hate that, but anyway, I'm just going to have to get another one. Roger. I can't remember the model on. Anyway, it's a 5-position. I think they will work together, but I'm not sure if you got an 8-position box. What I've got is the.
I don't know if you can see the S-meter swinging there, but all these guys are well over S9.
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. I'm not sure what I'll get. Anyway, I was going to do it today, but just didn't. I'll go out there before I go to bed and switch that over to 160, so I'll be able to get on in the morning. Roger. Always something going bad, Dave, you know? Yeah, that's the truth, and I think we both had our share of it. Yep. Well, I got my hearing aids yesterday, and I was trying to get those programmed, and
a little bit of static here tonight.
One of them I got connected to my iPhone. The other one would never connect. So I had to call. They're going to send me another one. I can't believe it. I said, boy, this is not good. Right out of the box, one of them don't work.
Sounds like MFJ. Let's tune around a little bit here. If we had a strong AM station, which I'm sure there will be some on later tonight, you can see how AM sounds identical through either filter. If you tune it in, zero beat it carefully. Let me get this tuned in.
Some of them back last year, but you had to make the adjustment manually on the little thing behind your ear.
Anyway, it's working good.
And you could just, you had like
put the noise blanker back in, and
I don't remember now what they called it, but one of them was
take one quick look at the driver grid and plate alignment, see if we can squeeze a couple more watts out of it, but I think it's in pretty good shape. Filters made a huge difference.
People talking, so it was really cumbersome. Of course, I wear glasses, and I almost had, take the glasses off. My hair's a little longer than probably some of the people, but
let's go to 40 for a second. I think if we go to 7285, yeah, there's a big AM broadcast, Radio China, I think.
By a particular school that you're prescribed to, or traditional Chinese medicine, but you look at those kind of thing.
Really? So if I like Chinese medicine, you'll look at me a certain way?
Well, not in a bad way.
Not much difference there between two sideband filters.
Yeah, I have, but I think there's so much in traditional Chinese medicine. I'm sure some of it works, but there's also this shrouding mystery that has been hijacked by some people with ill
Pretty good response.
But, you know, it's
Okay,
the way
lower
to-
sideband. Let's see if anybody's on here.
Could be in the ground, but anyway. Well, alright, Bam. Well, look, I'm fixing to get out of here. I gotta go out here and unload some stuff out of my truck in the shop, and Tom left the air conditioner in the shop now where it was 97 degrees.
Anyway, down to my favorite part of the band real quick. See what's going on down here. Too fast for me. German coming in. And the straight key guys down here. Okay, anyway, there you go. Pretty nice example of a TR-4C. This one was manufactured in the fall of 1974. So, couple of upgraded parts, few little tubes, new capacitor, multi-section can, and of course the big improvement comes from the two new sideband filters. But this one should be a good working radio for a long time. Anyway, that's the TR-4C. Next up, I think, will be a TR-4CW with RIT. So I'm going to be tinkering with that one real soon. And it'll be interesting to see the difference between the two. So stay tuned for that. See you later. Keep tinkering.